Sawadee krap. Welcome in Thailand. This is our day 3. We are going to the Central World Mall. So let's go. Meron ka bang gustong kainin, baby ko? Oh, busog ka pa, baby ko. Wow. Tayo dito pagkain, guys.
Oh, ito yun after you.
Ha?
Hindi na yung bag.
Nasaan? Yan tayo bibili.
If 55 divided by 2, wait lang, let's check. 55 divided by 2.
At pumasok na naman kami sa mga damitan. So, andito muna kami sa Starbucks. Kasi ay inom na kape si Kuya Eugene. Pupunta nga pala tayo sa Central World at ito pala yung Ilog Pasig nila, napakalinis. Tapos marami ditong mga yan, may mga massage pa. Ewan ko lang kung kita ninyo. Yung taas ng building na yun, no? Pier 11 Platinum. Tsaka meron pang The Market daw. Mura daw sabi natin. Status natin dito sa EDSA, hindi matraffic ngayon. BGN? Gusto ko na yan, baby. I want that one. Much for it.
Chinese pala to. Tara, balik. Alis na. Chinese.
Oh.
Tara, tayo.
Let's try other restaurants.
Tayo.
Let's ask for
Singapore
Thai food. Kasi smaller.
Food business.
And we're planning to franchise sooner. We have a new business right now.
More on unlimited chicken wings.
Chicken wings.
But it's good. It's really good. We're here at his condo. He's from India, but he's now working in Thailand.
So we're here.
It's hard to speak English.
Why didn't you complain?
I complained already. Wow, it's very high tech.
So, ganda ng video to, guys. Sa condo ng kanyang friend ni ate.
But shocks. Can we go inside? Just wearing sneakers? So nice. There's a box of room. Can we take a
So nice in here. Galing. Yung condo nila merong free yung gym and may boxing
If this is the view of my gym, I'll be bald.
In the Philippines, the gym is very crowded. There's a one extra gym. But there's like what do you call it? A picture before you qualify.
Actually, if you want to be an expert, you need to be in a good terms with the management.
Dito guys, kita mo ang buong view ng Bangkok. Oh. Hindi ko na nga alam kung saan kami nanggaling. Ang ganda.
It's not that bad.
There's better bird. And
Medyo
here,
iba lang yung
Saturday,
climate dito. Init-init ng konti.
will be
After 2 weeks,
Pero hindi siya mausok. Kagaya sa Pilipinas.
better.
Tsaka hindi masyado maingay. Kasi pag pumunta ka sa mga Makati, maingay yung paligid. Lalo nung nag-hotel ako, nung nag-exam ako ng NCLEX. Maririnig mo talaga yung mga busina ng mga kotse sa baba. Pero dito tahimik. Baka kami mag-swimming. Oh. Tangina! Ang ganda.
This is our Thailand. How do you call this?
It's very beautiful.
I think I will stay here until my boobs is done.
Let's take a picture first before we go on a swim.
So nice in here, oh.
My brother is a vlogger. Yeah.
Small time vlogger. It's for my memories.
Yeah, but he's having a
Alam guys kung maasim naman pa ako pero mag-swimming naman tayo kaya okay na. Ganda dito. Do you want to live here?
Let's see how much.
Matahimik talaga, walang kayo yung mga busina ng kotse. May salanggong kano. Tapos, yun.
Bakit naman hindi? Puputi lang.
So guys, kakain muna kami with our friend Noman. Try namin kumain ng mga street food dito.
I cannot eat it.
We're going to eat this. We'll try this Bukol stir fried with shrimp and then
Did
is
you
yours?
order
This one
pad thai?
fried rice with crab meat and egg. It's already included.
No, so. No, so. You also want this one?
Oh, this one.
No.
This is mine.
So only two.
Any so. Any no.
I want to
How about
have pad thai. This pad thai.
Partha this one.
Do you want pad thai? And
Oh,
one.
Get one.
So,
Okay.
okay,
How about
so
you? I already
yours?
ordered. Anything else? No, I already.
let's repeat the. Can you repeat the order?
Fried rice can be two.
What's that? This one?
Yeah, two.
Two.
Fried rice sheep one.
What's that? Fried rice shrimp.
Nasa kay naman. That is for me.
Bak sheep one.
What's that?
Bukol stir fried.
Okay.
Yeah.
One. And then deep fried chicken.
Yeah, deep
One.
fried chicken one.
And then
pad
fried
thai
chicken.
one.
Okay. Okay.
Butter one.
Butter one. Abhi ka kap kapat ko out fried out.
Matay pa kayong pera para utangan nyo kami ha. Muna. If kinulang kami.
Tayo na lang magbayad.
Oh.
What's the meaning of Lod No Dai Makap?
Huh?
Lot No Dai Makap? Lot
Noi
Lot Noy.
means discount. Please discount.
Lot Noy Dai Makap.
Yes.
Wow, you're...
Not Noi. Not Noi means can you discount a little bit?
Oh.
Wow.
I will come back here and I will study all the discount words.
Where's the cheapest area here?
Cheapest area?
Yeah.
Any street food, any local store, not tourist area.
No chicken?
Chicken
Okay. Cancel. I'll just eat pad thai.
Cancel everything. Hi.
What's so?
Cancel everything. Yeah, joke.
I'll just eat another.
Lot night up. Nice.
I will check if they have some coconut smoothie or not. I like coconut.
Okay. And this, yeah. Coconut smoothie. Buko juice yun sa atin, di ba?
Lot night I make up. Oh.
Expensive pa pala dito.
Lot night I make up.
Reasonable naman.
Chai.
Elder brother, if the younger brother, Nong Shai. He is your Nong Shai. Nong means
Nong Shai.
Nong Shai. P Shai.
Pishai.
P Shai.
Pishai. Nong Shai.
Yes.
You call me Pika.
Pika.
P Sao. P Sao. Sister. Sao means woman. P woman means sister, elder sister.
Ah, Pisa.
Ishai.
Yes.
I don't remember.
Very easy.
How will I call him?
Pika.
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 Pika. Kapulka. Pika.
Yes. Good. Young
Kapulka. Pika.
Yes. Good.
I'm learning. I will call my boss. How to call my boss?
Ani po siya.
Ay, this is yours, right?
Yeah.
What is this?
You will eat with what? You want rice also, right?
We'll
Yes.
share.
What's your order?
Yeah.
This is what is this?
This is yours.
I think, is that enough? You want something?
Less. Very less. Quantity.
Why there's no shrimp at the chicken at the top?
Sorry.
There's no chicken?
I think shrimp.
This is not shrimp. This is your crab.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah,
This is
crab.
crab.
No crab at the top. I mean,
Maybe it's already inside the rice.
yeah,
Already inside.
together.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Ah, okay.
So you check.
You check if
If you want rice, I can.
no, it's okay.
No, it's
I'll
okay.
just ask for
Another extra
an
plate.
extra plate.
Can we ask for extra plate? And
Jan.
pork.
Hatiin mo. Oh, sige.
Let's see if there's a crab inside.
Yeah, this thing.
Yeah, there is.
Wait.
Yeah, this one.
Ah, yun. So
Is
cute.
it good?
Kaya nag-order ako isa pang ganito.
That is very common.
I don't like spicy. This one's